The number one product on our list is the Apple AirTag. Apple's new AirTag is a small, round, white device that can be placed on just about anything to help you keep track of it. AirTag uses Apple's Find My network to help you locate your lost belongings, and it can be placed on anything from your keys to your bag to your bike. If you lose your keys, for example, you can open the Find My app and see its last known location. If they're nearby, you can use the Play Sound feature to help you find them. AirTag will also keep track of the location where it was last seen, so you can see a history of where it has been. AirTag is powered by a built-in battery, and Apple says it will last for over a year before needing to be replaced. The battery can be easily replaced, and Apple includes a tool for doing so in the box. AirTag is also water and dust resistant, and it can be attached to just about anything using the key that is included. It can be placed on any item and then tracked using the Find My app on an iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. AirTag uses Bluetooth technology to communicate with the Find My app and will also work with Apple's new Find My network, which uses hundreds of millions of Apple devices to help locate lost items. The AirTag can be attached to anything, like a keychain, purse, or backpack, and will then show up in the Find My app. Users can also put an AirTag into lost mode, which will send notifications to anyone who comes within range of the tag, letting them know it's been lost. If an AirTag is lost and the owner can't find it, they can use the Find My app to see the last known location of the AirTag. The Apple AirTag is compatible with the Apple HomeKit, Apple Watch, Apple TV, Apple HomePod, and with Apple CarPlay. A truly versatile little device worth having. Well, there you have it. If our review has helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to click the notification bell icon to get an alert for when our next video drops. Stay tuned for our next video and thank you for watching.